Welcome to Smart Factory TV, news for the manufacturing industry in 60 seconds.
To produce efficiently, data must be recorded on the shop floor. Some of this data can be automatically transferred from sensors or from machine controls. However, some data can only be entered manually. For example, logging on orders, which is often carried out by different operators using shared shop floor terminals. So terminals can not only get a little crowded and be a challenge to social distancing, they are also a source of virus contamination, such as corona. The Manufacturing Execution System HYDRA by MPDV overcomes this by providing an app for the mobile collection of data in the shop floor. Any operator equipped with a mobile solution for data collection can enter data on their own tablet and adhere to social distancing requirements. Contact us or visit our homepage at mpdv.com for more information.